morning, everyone. Tyler with Northwest Ring Clearing here. We are just getting started on a job here out in Graham. We got some pretty large brush piles that we're going to be doing. 4 of them so far on this go around, and these are in the way of the building site here, so they need to go first, and hopefully be back a little bit later to take care of the rest of these. But as you can see, who knows what's in there, but we'll sure find out. I think quite a few stumps, some logs, firewood we're gonna salvage and stockpile, but we'll take care of rotten stuff like that. So we'll get set up here and get started. Business, you never know what you're gonna find in them. This one had a few rocks been picking through, but we found a big surprise. All this fiberglass here. Old outhouse. I don't know, hopefully there's the bottom of it is somewhere else. I think it's actually just the top half, not like a porta potty, but it's kind of built out of fiberglass and styrofoam. You never know what you're gonna find. back out here in Graham. We are gonna take on these stumps here that we got set aside. So step one, I'm gonna sharpen a few of these knives and replace some other ones, and then we'll get to work. So we're just getting ready for our final passes here. Kevin's pushing the last little bit of stuff out, bringing things to the surface. Now we're into a lot of rocks and dirt. The guys making the piles didn't help us out any, but no more giant mountains. This one here is definitely on top of a pile of dirt, which made it look a little bit bigger. But quite a bit of mulch on these piles. It definitely doesn't disappear, but at least now it's something that you can rake out and reuse on the property, or hauling it away would be a lot less expensive now as well. But I'm finding some people are wanting it for mud proofing, different things around their property, so this is the possibility of stockpiling it and selling it over the course of the winter, or just giving it away to people for free if you have a way to load it. Bobcat skid steer did pretty good, pulling the piles apart. All right, so we're just wrapping up the project. Kevin's getting the machine chained down. Got the Bobcat loaded up. Got a giant sea of mulch out here. Gone through a few times, turned it over, made sure there's no big pieces buried in there. So this is two piles we combined into one. The one here had the outhouse, the porta potty on it, and it's kind of on a mound of dirt. We cleaned all the vegetation off of that. And we had the one pile over there. Then this pile over here had quite a few rocks, bigger stumps in it. Put the firewood over there for him. But yeah, green machine was the ticket for this job. It definitely is what you want for those big stumps, and we went through some knives, but that's all right. That's all part of the gig. And anyways, thanks for watching, and click like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Thanks.